Do you practice your smile for your job interview? You may not even consider the importance of a good smile for your job interview. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why a good smile can be your best secret weapon in the job interview, why a smile helps, the psychological impact of smiling, and how sometimes you can overdo your smile a bit. So many job applicants find it a bit challenging to blend a smile naturally into the job interview. After all, you are trying to concentrate on listening to the question and thinking about your response as well. That's why both practicing answering interview questions and practicing using your smile can really improve your impact in the interview. The best way to practice your smile and the best place to use a smile is the start of the job interview. Think about it. A smile helps to relax you just at that moment that you actually need it, the start of the interview when you're feeling most nervous. Why don't you try it out for yourself? Try pausing this video and smiling. Did you do it? Did you try out a smile? If you did just smile, you may have noticed and still be noticing that your face feels more relaxed and your energy is also up a little bit. You can probably also notice that other parts of your body, particularly your shoulders, your upper torso, are feeling a little bit more relaxed. And actually that feeling after a smile actually lasts for a minute or two. And this is exactly the sort of posture that you want to start off with the job interview as well. Also, it's hard not to like someone when you're smiling back at them. And if you carried out your opening winning smile effectively, it will likely infect other members of the interview panel who you will notice are smiling back at you. And remember, some studies show that a significant number of employers make up their minds about a candidate in the first 90 seconds. So the act of smiling has been studied a lot. A smile relays things like happiness, authenticity, and trust psychologically across cultures and generations. And functional MRI studies have even shown that the brain's happiness circuitry, which is called the ventral striatum, is activated when you smile, regardless of your current mood. So if you're down, smiling can actually prompt your brain to produce feel-good hormones like dopamine. Now, most of the time, smiling happens automatically, subconsciously, but that's not usually the case during a job interview, is it? The first impression that you make gives a smile all that much more importance. During the first few seconds of the interview, a friendly smile will tell the interviewer that you are easy going and enthusiastic. It also shows that you're confident in your abilities and eager to help others along. Those who smile more also help create a more pleasant environment. As I say, smiles are often infectious and it's hard not to smile back at someone who's smiling at you. But be careful of too much of a good thing. It is important to smile during a job interview. Just be careful not to do it too much and at the wrong time. Smiling excessively will sometimes make you look a bit weird and detached. Try to make your smiles appropriate based on the moment and what is being discussed. So if the interviewer is talking about something important and serious like patient safety, a big grin will probably look a bit odd. In fact, a recent study by Northeastern University showed that smiling too much during a job interview may actually harm your chances of getting hired. So, how much is too much of a smile? Well, it depends. I think you're definitely still safe to smile at both the start and the end of the interview. The rest needs to pass the appropriateness test. Some jobs are seen as more serious than others. Medicine is generally one of these, so you definitely want to convey an aura of seriousness for example, when you might be describing your approach to solving a clinical dilemma, then it might be important to have a serious face on. However, there are aspects of a medical job that require a more friendly customer persona as well. So for example, if you're asked about how you would convey information to a patient, this might be the appropriate juncture to smile again in the interview. So timing and appropriateness matter. Smile at the beginning and the end of the interview. At the beginning, your smile shows enthusiasm for the job and a degree of self-confidence. During the interview, have a serious conversation. Don't make a point of deliberately finding times to smile, and don't smile when discussing problems you've faced in things like other jobs or other serious issues. If the moment feels appropriate to smile, then do so. Otherwise, stick to serious. And end the interview on a high note with another smile. Show you are confident with one last smile. Finally, don't forget to brush your teeth. Smiling with spinach between your teeth will definitely leave the wrong impression. Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Llewellyn. I'm the Career Doctor. I'm here to help you manage your medical career. If this video was helpful to you, please leave me a like or a comment about it. If you're finding a number of my videos to be useful, why not turn on subscriptions and notifications so you can be notified when the next video comes out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.